All right, here we go. Sunday, project time once again. I was gonna drive the 34, but I decided to do this. I had extra sound deadening material. In fact, I have one whole extra box. So of course, I have this Amazon box. I might as well do something with it, so I'm gonna put it into the Tacoma. And this is how I'm gonna do it. Removing the door panel, the inner door panel, super easy on these cars. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is pop off this thing. Oh, there you go. See, that easy. Unplug all of these. There is a Phillips screwdriver in here somewhere, right down in here someplace. So let me just unplug these real quick. All right. Okay. Just unscrew that Phillips screw. Then I'm going to push this little pin out. Then pull this guy off. I think that's it. Now carefully pop this whole cover off. There's two cables that I'm going to have to remove behind this. And let me get that. Oh, sorry. One more Phillips screw behind here. So you just hold this open. I need my knife. And these are the two cables that I was talking about. Super easy. All they do is pop into here, and it's held in with one of these clips up here. All you do is pop it out, angle it, and lift the ball up. That's it. Super easy. Ugh. So now what I'm gonna do is peel off this sound wind barrier thing, lay the whole inside with the sound deadening. Then I'm gonna come back, lay all in here. Hopefully it works. I don't know. Let me see what happens. You know what, I forgot to do a sound test of what it sounds like. I don't know if the microphone will pick it up, but let me try. I'll do one side with this panel, and then I'll do another sound test with the other panel. So it seems the back doors have a different sound from the front doors. I'm thinking the back doors are not insulated as much as the front doors. So I think my theory is correct. The rear doors have almost no insulation is what I'm thinking. It has that tin can sound versus the front doors have a little more of a deadening sound to it. I did remove the plastic, sort of, and now I'll take a look and see what's on the inside. Okay, just as I suspected, there is some kind of padding or something. What the heck is this? Huh. So I guess there is something in there. Oh, that's why. So the front door has the beams, all the supports. I think that's what's contributing to the better sound. So let me finish taking all this off. I'll take the speaker off, and then I'll start laying everything in. So before I forget, this is what I'm going to use. This is the leftover sound deadening from the 34. Good old Amazon. Ooh, made in China. Oh, this is that Amazon Basics thing. I don't know. Whatever. Throw this away. not bad. Kind of little square panels. I forgot what these things look like. All right, basically, all I'm gonna do is get my scissor, chop this up, set it inside, roll it all over on the inside, put it all over on the outside, and that should make it sound a lot better. Let me do that off camera. I'll be right back. All right, so far so good. This is what it sounds like with the panel off. I didn't get a chance to really do every single thing. It's too tiring, it's too hard. But this is what it looks like, and this is what the sound of it is now, I guess. Big difference. Now it's just a solid thump. Wow, that was pretty cool. Anyway, now it's time to do the back doors. The back doors, like I said, it sounds like a tin can. Hopefully I can change that. I'm gonna assume it comes off the same way. Let me see. Now, don't be dumb like me. Don't use your knife to take panels off. And of course, it's those same type of latch wire things back here. Pretty easy to pop off. So pretty much the same thing. Take off all the plastic, clean it all up, make sure there's no dust and dirt sticking to it before I put the adhesive on, and before I put that sound deadening material on. So let me peel this off, clean everything up, roll everything in, and we'll see what it sounds like. All right, so I finished with the passenger side. Wow. While the whole continental US is freezing, I'm over here sweating my brains off. Anyway, this is what the door sounds like now. Damn, that is a huge difference. Everything sounds solid, literally like a damn rock. Anyway, so, oh my God. Let me put together the door. I'll head over to the passenger side, do all of that, and then I'll show you what all that looks like in a minute. It's too hot. I need to get out of here and rest for a second. I'll see you guys just a little bit. Okay, that is it. The door is solid. And this is what it sounds like when you shut the door. Damn, that is too good. Too good. That was the easiest project yet. Oh my God. All right, well, that's it for today. This was a pretty fast project. It's Sunday. Have a good weekend, guys. Thanks again for sticking around. There's still a little extra. I may be able to do another car. I already did the 4Runner. All its doors. I did pretty much all my cars. The Amazon Basics works out pretty damn good. All right, I guess that's it. I mean, this is a super easy project. I'm not a professional, like I said. Just plaster that stuff all over wherever you can. Anyway, that should be it for this project. It's getting kind of late. I need to get some other things done. With that being said, thanks again for sticking around on this project. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good weekend, everybody. See you guys again on my next project.